And I met you in the summer.
Hello, sweet coconuts, and today we will be playing Kittenville again. So, I haven't played this game in a while, ever since, oh yes please, since I, played this game last time where someone sneezed and disappeared. Am I really going to be here by myself? Wait, this is actually gonna be low-key fire. I'm gonna instantly win. Or not. There's someone in here. Okay, so I guess, okay. Can you guys please go? I need to, okay, I'm about to go in my pipe server if I even have one. Oh. I'm gonna win this. I'm totally going to win this. Go, go, go. Oh, someone already fell. Wait, am I the only one on the top layer? Wait, I might actually win this. I'm so excited. Wait, I have the whole top layer to myself. Hold on. I'm gonna win. I'm pretty sure I will. Ooh. Please win, please win. I really need to win. I haven't had a win in like so long. And guys, I'm playing this game to celebrate my 90 subs, to go back in time when I had 46 subs. So, ooh. Wait, I might be in second place if I fall down. I might be in second place. Hold on. Give me a second. I'm logging in. But thank you guys so much for the 90 subs. I'm so happy. Nope. Okay. It's okay. I'm on the yellow layer now. And there's like a big running place, so. Yeah, so we're celebrating that. Oh! I won. Okay, slay. Wait, that was actually such a good win. Anyways, I'm going to... Oh, wait, that looks like a dog. I want that. I'm gonna look like a dog if I get that. Ooh. Wait, I want a fuzzy one. I'm gonna go fishing. I need to go fishing. I'm gonna go fishing. Oh, but first, let me take care of myself, because I'm, like, starving, but... Drink. Okay, drinking. Don't I just have to lick myself to drink? Because I'm like a water thingy. Okay. So I earned money by taking care of myself. I forgot about that. But jump. Can I not jump on the trampoline? That's what it's for. Hello. Okay. Now we're gonna jump down here, and we're gonna attack the dog again. We're just going to attack the dog. Oh, I gave it the side eye. Okay, that's weird. Now I'm gonna go fishing. How do I go fishing? Am I still not done with the game? Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna go fishing. Alright, so I had a lot of things to claim. Oh my gosh, do I seriously want to go running now? I don't want to go running. Okay, can you hurry up so I can run? Alright, where's another running place? Okay. Another running place? I know, but I can't use that. Oh, slay. Exercise? Hello? I don't need that. Okay. Come on. Oh, a lot of shells. Do I seriously want to go on a scratching post? Why am I in here? No. I'm good. The thing's not starting yet, so... And as long as it's not starting, I'm good. My cat wants to do everything, bro. Now I'm gonna go fishing. Because I need a fish. Alright. Time to go fishing. Okay, start fishing. Hello. Okay, here we go. How do I do this? Wait, no, wait. Oh, so I have to hold the little fishy thingy. Okay, I see it. I see. What? Wait, what? Wait, how did I fail? How did I fail? Wait, I'm so confused. I'm not gonna stop until I, like, understand this thing. What? Wait, I'm gonna... What? Wait, how? Wait, what? Oh, yes, please. Why am I floating? No one wants to join me? Because I'm too good? Aww. Okay, so now it's me and this cat. Why is there a human in here? This is a cat game, not a human game. The human still joined? Okay, now it's less likely that I'm going to win. Okay, I'm gonna start over here. Some order fell, the human fell. Now it's just me and this kitty over here. I know exactly what he's trying to do. He's trying to cut me off. What? Wait, what? That's not fair. He literally just cut me off. I need to ban that. If someone cuts me off, I'm gonna cut them off. Because that's not fair. Literally not. Okay, bro, what are you doing? Like, stop chasing me. I did absolutely nothing to you. Like, stop. I'm gonna cut you off now. Can this bro, like, actually leave me alone? Because I did nothing to him. It's only me and him left. Like, bro, leave me alone. Like, what did I do to upset you like that? Okay, please win. Please win. I really need this win. I really need money. I really need money. Come on. Come on. Come on. Win. Why is my jump button so small? I just realized. Why is my flippin' jump button so small? I won! Bro. Yes! Okay, I'm actually locking in. Hold on. Okay, time to go fishing again, because I could get fish from this event. No, I can't. Okay. Sell a shell. What happened to pearl? Plural. Sell shells. Oh, that's kind of hard to say. I want to sell all my shells. Alright, thanks. I'm just grinding money at this point. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Is there a fishing spot? Any fishing spot nearby? Oh, there's one over here. Alright. Lock in this time, coconut. Lock in. Wait, oh, I think I know what I have to do. Oh, wait, maybe I have to press it the second, like when it goes down. Or I just need to keep holding it. Maybe that's it. I just need to keep holding it. Oh, wait. hold it and then hold again quickly. Wait, did I get a fish? What is that? Got a fish? Oh, Oogar. Dummy young bear. Okay. This is what a water cat's for. What? What do I even do? I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait, fishing is so easy. Slay. Is that a common? Are you kidding me? Commons are for dopes. Dogs. Not cats. Okay. My cat's crying right now. On the thing. But this one was fish. I got a Nemo. Okay, that's nice. I got a Nemo. I don't want to fish anymore. I'm gonna go to the fishing place so I can... Wait, this isn't the fishing place. What am I doing? Where's the fishing place? Where is the fishing place? Where is the fishing place? Where's the fishing place? Hello? I got an egg shop. Oh, yeah, the egg shop. Let me go buy the eggs, because I think egg costs like 600, right? I can't buy 2 eggs, but I can buy some eggs. No, thank you, not now. 800. Wait. A rare is super rare. An epic, a mythical, and a legendary. I never had a legendary before. A beginner egg. So this has a higher chance of... Okay, I want to buy cat stuff here. Ooh. Wait, that's so cute. Costs a lot though. And so does this thing. I don't even know what that is. Wait, if I release fish, does that count as the little fish points? I'm looking for the fish place. I can't find it. My dog's growling at me. I don't know why. Oh, here we go. Selfish. I found it. I don't care if the thing has ended. It could have lasted for 2 hours if I were there. Because they can't meet my paws. I mean, did I just say meat? I totally did. I think this might be my favorite cat. Like, just look at him. Or her, I don't know. So, if I release a fish, does this count? I'm accidentally touching my... Okay, guess I'm doing this now. Okay. Am I crying? Can I get a cat now? I want sushi. I want a sushi cat. I don't want a road rod in my inventory. Okay, I'm gonna go get food, I guess, because my cat's crying. So I'm gonna go get food. Okay, you can stop crying now, kitty. Are you still gonna cry? Okay. Now she's sleepy. Where can I find a bed at? Upstairs? Are you kidding me right now? Alright, I'll find a bed upstairs. Oh. Girl, close your eyes. What are you doing? Okay, you're done. I'm changing this cat because that scared me so bad. Ooh, this might be my new favorite. It's cute. It doesn't do a weird sleeping thingy. And now my cat wants to sleep again. Okay. If you open your eyes. Okay, bro. But my cat's sleepy. Where do I go sleep? Okay, my cat's not gonna sleep because it keeps doing that. Anyways, I think... Okay, my cat's really tired. But I think that'll be it for today's video. I'll see you guys when I can. Or I can do a celebration of 100 subscribers. So I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, sweet coconuts. Quack.